All right, taking a look at Google. Google's been one of the more boring names, hasn't really been doing much, but we got an inside bar today. And since it's been so tight for several days in a row, actually weeks in a row, and really just nobody's been watching it, looks like the volume's lower than a lot of the other stocks, not too much going on here. We're likely going to get a break potentially tomorrow. So there might be some action on Google tomorrow. I would watch for a break of basically this candle right here, June 18, the high of 177.39 and the low of 174.10. And that might cue you to which way this thing is going to break. So if it breaks 177.39, that might be a bullish break and a sign that Google's going to go up. If it breaks the low, 174.10, that might be a sign that it's going to get some follow through to the downside over here because it faked out above the highs here. Indecision candlestick, a little bit higher volume. That doesn't mean it's going to drop though. So to me, the clue would be whether it breaks this range bullish or bearish. So if it breaks over here, we're going to be looking down at the lower Bollinger Band in the daily and potentially the 50-day moving average. And if it breaks the upper end, then we might be looking at that all-time high and even towards that upper weekly Bollinger Band 187. I don't think it would go that high tomorrow, but if it does break that range bullish, another resistance might be 178.36, so it could potentially fake out above or below these levels. But I don't think it would be a fake out. I think if it breaks, whatever way it breaks, if it does break, it's probably going to follow through. So I'm going to keep an eye on Google tomorrow for some potential action on an inside bar break.